Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. Please do subscribe my channel. In this tutorial, we will explore about select file activity. Select file activity will display a dialog box for user that will help him to choose any of the file from that dialog box. Let me demonstrate this with help of an example. I will create a workflow using sequence. I will name it as select file activity. I will drag that activity, that is select file. I will discuss about some of its properties, but before that let me execute this. You can notice it is displaying all types of file to me. It is showing PDF file, Excel file and PPT file also. Let us choose any of them. Now suppose you want to display only one type of file or few types of file. You need to change in this expression, that is filter option. For that, suppose you want to display only PDF files, so you need to write this like this, star.pdf, and here also PDF. If I will change this expression like this, now I will execute this again. This time you can notice it is displaying only PDF files to me. I'll choose any one of them. Now suppose you want to display more types of file. For that you need to change in this expression. Suppose we want to display PowerPoint file also. For that I will write comma star dot pptx. Here I will write semicolon star dot pptx. I will write this expression. I will execute this. This time you can notice it is displaying PDF file also and PPT file also. We will choose any one of them. Now it has one more property, that is output, selected file. This property will return full path of the file that we have selected from the dialog box. I will create one variable over here by pressing Ctrl K. Selected file. We can display value of this variable using right line. Selected file. I will execute this. I will choose this file. You can notice full path of file is displayed over here in output panel. Now let us revise one of our activity that we discussed earlier also. We will use move file. Suppose you want to move selected file to some other folder. For that we will specify selected file over here. It contains full path and destination. In our project we already have one folder destination. It is empty folder. So we will specify name of that folder destination. I will execute this. I will choose this file, generate yearly report. It is printed over here. Now let us check another output. It is moved to destination folder also. This is how select file activity works. With this, I will wind up this session. Thanks for watching this video.